Ciao everybody, welcome to another episode of On 5 O'Clock. My name is Fabio and I work at the Star Casino in Sydney. Today I want to share with you a beautiful recipe using Tia Maria, which is a great coffee liqueur made of Jamaican rum, Brazilian coffee, 100% Arabica, and into vanilla. Today we're making a flip, which is a very old cocktail and that used to be made and used to be actually eaten up using beer, sugar, and rum. Over the years, the recipe changed, and we stopped using beer in the cocktail, and we start using egg, the whole egg instead. That's how we call it flip. The word flip actually comes from when the cocktail was eaten up, and the froth that was coming on top of it was actually the froth, the flip itself. So let's start making it. And it's gonna be much easier to understand what we do. So let's get our shaker. We're gonna add 10 ml of white chocolate liqueur, and then we're adding 20 ml of brandy. Obviously with brandy, today we're using cognac, but you can easily use bourbon, you can easily use rum, you can use port. Pretty much it's a very versatile cocktail. And obviously our best friend, which is Tia Maria, 30 ml. And then we're gonna crack a whole egg into it. Here we go. I'm not gonna dry shake it today, but I'm gonna whisk it with my spoon just to break up the yolk and the egg white and to get ready for the shake. Here we go. So we whisk our ingredients, and now we're grabbing some ice. Alrighty, I got the cocktail in there. We have our glass, and obviously don't use your hands, so make sure you sanitize them. We're gonna add our ice and a nice, beautiful. Sorry. Here we go. All right, let's start shaking. Don't forget to smile, guys. Here we go. Now we're ready to serve it. We have a lot of pieces of ice in there, so we want to make sure that we get rid of them by using a double strainer. Look how nice and creamy the cocktail is. This is a beautiful winter cocktail or nice cold days. Alright, so we supposed to have some spices into this drink, but unfortunately we don't have them. But I only have a pretty nice star anise that we're gonna place right on top of the drink. Salute!